Hey guys, Real JDM here. Today we are doing a transmission service on a Mitsubishi 380. The first step is taking off airbox and this, which can be a bit of a pain. So the first step is taking off these two here.
Kick back in the booth, living on the booth, shawty for me, ooh, yeah. Trapped out in the cool, shawty on my lap, sipping on some booze, yeah.
There you go. Got that out. Alrighty, so this is our transmission here. This is the linkage. So when you put it from park to drive, this is what moves. And this is how you fill your ATM. Now we're gonna have to get under the car, or jack it up, get under the car and drain what we can. Because with these transmissions, you can only do a wet, well, without pulling off the sump, you're going to do a wet fill, which is what we're going to do. Now we want to take off the front wheel because the transmission is right behind that. Now that's your drain plug there. Now I just need to find a socket for it. Yeah, that's not a great sign. Alright, so now we're refilling it. From what I found, it says between 3.5 and 4.5 litres.
I don't give a fuck about what you asking. I'm just trying to move, baby. Kiss me till she horny. We gon' make a fucking move. Full clip, cocky shot it.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more in there. It's all back together. I think I did a good job. Anyways, Real JDM here. See you in the next one.